Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how the various types of activities can be created within the Accounts application in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the Accounts app, he or she can select the required account from the landing page of the Accounts app. The account detail page is then displayed. The activities can be listed by clicking on the Activities tab. There are four types of activities that can be created. In order to create a new meeting, click on the plus sign and select the new meeting button. The create meeting form appears. Fill the required details and submit in order to create a new meeting. Similarly, the same procedure can be followed in order to create a new call log, a new task, the task can be assigned to any stakeholder and he will be notified the same. Similarly, a new mail can also be created. Once the required fields are filled, the create or submit button can be clicked and the task is then successfully created. This is how activity creation works within the Accounts application. Thank you for watching.